Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Mary's Tech. In this video I'm going to be directing you how you can be setting up your H8 Plus using the payload for all countries. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. So in our first step on this YouTube channel is to download the H8 Plus application from the official site, which is Google Play Store. So guys, this is the VPN application I was talking about, the H8 Plus application. The logo is like that. It is from a company called Art of Tunnel. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your friend. This VPN will be working on your network using the custom payload. If the SNI and other methods were not working in your country, I've brought you the custom payload. So stay tuned at Mary's Tech YouTube channel. So once we open this VPN application, it will bring us the update stuff. So we are going to restart the application so that we can update this application. So after updating the application, we are going to join their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates from the official site of the H8 Plus application. But me, as you saw, I won't join their Telegram channel for one reason, because I don't want to join their Telegram channel. I'm going to press OK, I understand, for the custom settings so that it can be able to switch, because they are telling me to make the custom settings. Please press the custom setup, switch on the home screen. Thank you. I'm going to press OK, I understand what you have told me. So I'm going to be seeing such a notice. So guys, I'm right here. So we are going to start setting up the H8 Plus application. But this is a warning to all those ones who are misusing our services. These services are for only education purposes only. So don't dare misuse them in any way of accessing the free internet, because access to the free internet is highly punishable and prohibited. This is a second warning to those who are warning us about sharing these things, most especially the MTN Uganda trick. So someone warned us about sharing it, but for us at Mary's Tech, we promise our subscribers to get all information at a zero cost. If you want to sell your tricks, don't forget that here at Mary's Tech, we are about making anyone and everyone informed. We are about making the information accessible to all of us. So don't forget to subscribe, because we are going to be sharing all tricks for free. Even if they broke them, we don't care. So we are going to go right here. We have the custom setup. I'm going to go right here where we have the direct connection. I'm going to go here where I have the custom payload. So guys, those who are saying that we must not be sharing such a kind of information, we highly request you guys to be just subscribe to our channel. You get all information for free. We are going to buy the information and we are going to give it at a zero cost. So we are going to be sharing all information. I repeat, here at Mary's Tech, we are going to be sharing all information and in all countries. So we are going to go right here where we have the connect. This is what we are going to type. We are going to wrap the whole thing apart from that one. You're going to rub up to that part, that one I'm highlighting, and then this is what we're going to rub the whole thing. Let us rub the whole thing apart from the other things. So this is what we're going to type in get a space, single space, type in a slash another space, type in HTTP. After typing in HTTP, we're going to leave a slash like that without a space. Take note of not leaving a space. We're going to put one, we're going to put .1, we're going to come and you put the square brackets. We're going to put in C R L F. We're going to put in we're going to close the curly brackets as you saw. Now I'm going to put in the host. So if you want this host that works in your country, kindly go to the comment section and type in your country and the network. I'm going to be available for all of you in all countries. I want to ask you any coin. Just go to the comment section, type in your country. I'm going to reply you with a working, this is 2026, I'm going to reply you with a working host in your country. So go to the comment section, type in your country, then your network, then wait for a few seconds. Our team and me, we are available. We are a team. I'm not a single person. We are a team that is ever on. We are ever online 24/7. Even if you type it at midnight, we're going to be available to reply you. So we're going to put there a colon, and then we put in US. We're going to put in 1. We're going to put in sshws.net. We're going to leave curly brackets, square brackets, sorry, C R L F. Open the square brackets. We're going to put the word upgrade, and then a colon, and then web socket in small letters, and then after that is the payload you're going to be using. So if you are from those countries, all the countries are connected here at Maristech. Just comment your country. I'm going to give you a full payload without stressing yourself out. I'm going to just give you a payload. Just comment your country down there. If you want a custom SNI, I'm going to give you custom SNI. Drop your country and what you want. If you want a payload, I'm going to give you a payload. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Like this video, guys. I recommend you to like. After, you're going to just press the start button and wait for a few moments. You're going to be seeing that the VPN application is working. So just do us a favor, subscribe this YouTube channel, share this video to your friend, just like our video so that it can be moving and it reaches in all countries. As you see, our VPN application, we have connected it successfully using the custom payload. So if the other methods were not working in your country, think of a payload, think of Maristech, and think of subscribing to our YouTube channel. I sign out. Don't forget that the H Eternal Plus application is still working in full swing.